Kurumirira mateta na wagagu uria wiyumiretie bururi-ini wigie kuongerereka gwa kambuni cia tumari undu umwe na namba ya Kenya aria makoretwo magiutha ciuthi ici. Kamiti ya bunge igie kigina kia muingi ni irongoreirie gukurana kiria gikoretwo gigithie na mbere kambuni-ini ici kuhitukira guthurima muigana wa kigina kiria gikoretwo gigicenjania moko gatagati ga kambuni ici na Kenya aria makoretwo magiutha ciuthi ici. Joseph Otieno uria ni murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa tumari thiini wa ruhonge rwa kungania magoti bururi-ini rwa KRA erire kamiti ino iria itongoragio ni mubunge wa Moro Kuria Kimani ati monganitie muigana wa ciringi bilioni 19.6 ihinda-ini ria mieri 9 mihituku kuhitukira magoti matiganite maria mekireire kambuni ici cia tumari.
From July 2024 to March, which is last month, we have been able to realize about 19.6, not about, but 19.6 billion from the gambling activities and of course operators against a collection of 17 billion in the last year for the same period.
Abunge na kuri uguo ni medire gukurana gitumi kia mbeca iria KRA ikoretwo ikiungania kumana na uhotani wa andu aria makoretwo magithaka mithako ino gukorwo inyihite na gicunji kia 24% ikiringithanio na kigina kiria makoretwo makiungania kumana na uhotani wa kambuni ici cia tumari uria wongererekete na makiria ma ciringi bilioni 1.5 kuma mwaka muhituku.
And if there is growth in the amount staked, then you would anticipate there will be a growth in withholding on winnings. Are we together up that point? So what could explain, therefore, that there is a growth in excise duty on the staking, but a reduction on withholding tax on the winnings?
KRA kihithuria kwaya gukorwo na waro koretwo gikungio ni kambuni ici cia tumari uria ukoretwo ukihotithia kuhama muigana wa kigina kiria andu aria makoretwo magithaka mithako ino mangihotana na iguru ria uguo kwiyongerera uhotani wa makiria ma ciringi bilioni 1.5 ihinda-ini ria mwaka umwe.
And basically there is what is called the odds rationing by the betting operators. Of course, they have technologies for the machines that they are using, and in the process internally that will simply generate what the odds produce for them. So basically, as a revenue authority, we would perhaps just base ourselves on the realities of the transactions that we find have taken place.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitogo Mwaura Wagunya.